Menopause marks a significant transition in a woman's life, bringing with it a cascade of changes throughout the body. One of the most noticeable areas affected by this hormonal shift is the skin. As estrogen levels decline, the skin undergoes a series of transformations, often becoming drier, thinner, and more prone to irritation. Understanding these changes, their causes, and the ways to manage them can empower women to feel more confident and comfortable in their own skin during this natural stage of life. The journey through menopause typically begins in the late 40s to early 50s, although some women may experience it earlier or later. This phase, known as perimenopause, is characterized by fluctuating hormone levels, particularly a gradual decrease in estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen, a key hormone in female physiology, plays a vital role in maintaining the skin's moisture, thickness, and elasticity. When estrogen levels drop, the skin loses some of its natural protective barriers, leading to noticeable changes. One of the first and most common skin changes during menopause is dryness. Estrogen helps to stimulate the production of oils and maintain the skin's moisture balance. As its levels wane, the skin may feel rough, flaky, and tight. This dryness is not just limited to the face. It can affect the entire body, including the arms, legs, and even the delicate skin around the eyes and lips. Women may find that their usual moisturizers are no longer sufficient, and their skin may become more sensitive to soaps, detergents, or environmental factors. In addition to dryness, the skin's texture and structure can shift. Collagen, the protein responsible for giving skin its firmness and resilience, is also regulated by estrogen. After menopause, collagen production drops significantly, causing the skin to thin and lose its youthful plumpness. Fine lines and wrinkles become more apparent, and the skin may appear less elastic or saggy, especially around the jawline, cheeks, and neck. This thinning can also make the skin more vulnerable to bruising and slower to heal from cuts or scrapes. Another common concern is the increased appearance of age spots or hyperpigmentation. Years of sun exposure, combined with hormonal changes, can trigger the development of darkened patches on the face, hands, arms, and chest. These spots, often called liver spots or sunspots, are the result of pigment cells clumping together or producing excess melanin. Some women may also notice the emergence of new moles or skin tags during this time, which should be monitored closely for any changes in size, color, or shape. Acne is often associated with adolescence, but it can make an unwelcome return during menopause. Hormonal fluctuations can lead to increased oil production in some women, resulting in breakouts along the jawline, chin, and neck. These adult-onset blemishes may be accompanied by redness or inflammation, and they often respond differently to treatment than teenage acne. In addition, the skin's healing ability slows down, so blemishes may take longer to fade. The skin's protective barrier also becomes less effective with age and hormonal changes. This can lead to increased sensitivity and a greater risk of irritation or allergic reactions. Products that were once well tolerated may now cause redness, itching, or burning. Environmental stressors, such as wind, cold, or pollution, can further aggravate the skin, making it essential to adopt a gentle and protective skincare routine. It's not just the surface of the skin that's affected. Underlying structures also shift. The fatty layer under the skin, which provides cushioning and a smooth appearance, begins to thin. This can result in a hollowed look, particularly under the eyes and in the cheeks. Veins may become more visible, and the bones of the face may seem more prominent. These changes can alter the overall contours of the face, contributing to the visible signs of aging. Managing these skin changes requires a holistic approach that addresses both internal and external factors. Hydration is paramount, both from the inside and out. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain skin moisture, while using rich, fragrance-free moisturizers can soothe dryness and reinforce the skin's barrier. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides are particularly beneficial for attracting and retaining moisture. sun protection becomes even more critical during and after menopause. The skin's natural defense against UV damage diminishes, making it more susceptible to sunburn, pigmentation, and the risk of skin cancer. Daily application of a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher is recommended, even on cloudy days or when spending time indoors near windows. Gentle cleansing is key to avoiding further irritation. Mild, soap-free cleansers help remove dirt and excess oil without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. Exfoliation can be useful for removing dead skin cells and brightening the complexion, but it should be done sparingly and with gentle products to avoid damaging the fragile skin. For those experiencing menopausal acne, non-comedogenic moisturizers and targeted treatments containing ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide may help. However, it's important to consult a dermatologist before trying new products, as the skin can be more reactive during this time. A healthy, balanced diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals supports overall skin health. Foods high in vitamin C, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids can promote collagen production and combat inflammation. Regular exercise improves circulation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the skin, and reducing stress, which can exacerbate skin issues. Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, is an option some women consider to alleviate menopausal symptoms, including those affecting the skin. While HRT can help restore some of the skin's lost elasticity and moisture, it's not suitable for everyone and should be discussed thoroughly with a healthcare provider. Finally, embracing the changes that come with menopause can be empowering. While it's natural to miss the youthful qualities of earlier years, this stage of life also brings wisdom, resilience, and new perspectives. Prioritizing self-care, seeking support from healthcare professionals, and making thoughtful skincare choices can help women navigate menopause with confidence, maintaining healthy, radiant skin at every age.